In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and use AutoMix here on your iPhone if you have iOS 26 or onwards. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment, but first things first, you do need to make sure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 26. To do this, go into your settings and then go down just a little bit until general and then software update. And just make sure that you have iOS 26 if you haven't already installed it. That is a requirement to do this. And from here, stay in the settings app and just scroll to the search option and select the music app. And from here, under the music settings, you're going to see an option that says song transitions under audio. Go ahead and select it and make sure auto mix is turned on as well as song transitions itself is turned on. Just keep in mind auto mix does require an active Apple Music subscription. If you don't have Apple Music, the option is going to be completely grayed out. But once you do have auto mix enabled, you just need to open up the Apple Music app. Find a playlist or an album, and you'll notice that the auto mix icon next to your songs or players controls is going to be on there. Tap it, activate it, and your songs will transition smoothly without any gaps. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. Once again, just make sure you have iOS 26, otherwise it's not going to work. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.